Dear friends and users of OrthoWave, it's a great pleasure for me to introduce this new version V7 of OrthoWave, and in particular a very great innovation for a new way of entering data in a much faster and more efficient way via a tablet or a smartphone. Importantly, these two data entry modes belong to the same database as the full version of OrthoWave, and all data entered on the smartphone can of course be used for statistics or image catalog via the full version. These two new light entry modes correspond to two modules, namely firstly OW-OBS, making it possible to complete all the usual information necessary for the preparation of slideshows or regulatory publications. The second module is OW-REG, specifically designed to collect only useful data for registries, namely basic demographics and surgical data, as well as the status and the outcome of each implant over the use. In fact, the user has the choice between these two data entry modes depending on the purpose of his study, either observational with OW-OBS or epidemiological via OW-REG. For this presentation tutorial, we will start with the first module, namely OW-OBS, allowing for gathering all needed data for regulatory or scientific publications and reports. While getting access to the home page, we can see the first drop-down list, and we select OPS, and the language will be English. And now we have to type the usual login and password as in the demo version. And so here we are on the home page for this observational module. And this page displays some interesting details about the menu bar, patient directory, multi-criteria search, logout. We can get the search by name, and the directory finally displays all the hips and all the knees from the entire database. If now we look at one particular patient, to get access to the patient form, we can at will type the name or click on the directory, and we immediately get access to the related joints of the patient, right hip, left hip, right knee, etc. And when looking at any of these surgeries, we have the overview of the patient, including the patient keywords, and also the patient notes, again, can be inputted for this patient. The surgical details can, as usual, get the entry data for all the details for the femur and the cup, and of course it's the same procedure for the knees. Complication must be filled in, it's very important, and in case of minor revision or major revision and so on, it's important to type the date and to explain and to document this problem that has been experienced by the patient. This observational module can also input all type of images through the camera of your smartphone, and automatically these images are inputted in the form of the patient. Now just look at evaluations. We have, as in the full version, all the classic metrics as Oxford, and also the EQ5D, 5L, and also the Harris score with all the related scores. And we added the hours 10. That is a very new questionnaire, interesting because it adds a functional questionnaire in 10 questions from 1 to 10, and also the status of the intervention and the operation further on, with important question about the outcome, and especially if the need for revision or failure, etc. And all the patients will be connected with the database and will receive mail to ask them about their status. And when they do that on their smartphone or computer, it's automatically filled in, they form into the database. That's very important, and that will help to get the correct outcome for all the patients with a system of automatic evaluation and automatic monitoring system. Just again, one word about this patient. We also have demographics as usual, and also we can get a multi-criteria search with the search area for knees or hips. And again, it's very important to get any kind of search through the world database. Well, that's interesting now to go on the second module. So let's go now to the OW-REG. That is the specifically designed module for displaying all used data for epidemiological registries. We now reach again the home page with the selection of the OW-REG, again in English, and we type again the required password and login to get access to the reg. The window is very similar to the previous one, but it's simpler. We again find a new patient and a directory for hips and knees belonging to the database. The same menu bar with the patient directory, multi-criteria search as usual, and also the search by name. And if we again type, and so we can type the patient's name, Berg, and we will display the 3 forms related to this patient with the joints window, displaying all related prostheses. If I click on one, I can automatically display the overview with only the needed data for registries, including the name of the surgeon and the type of prosthesis and the type of femoral and acetabular component. Again, it's the same naturally for the knees. Also, we can get a complication as usual, and as usual, it's very important to document any kind of complication that this patient has experienced. And here we have all the notes related to these complications. The evaluation is very simple to use, and it's designed to get the patient connected with evaluation. He receives a mail. When clicking the mail, the patient can get access to the hours 10, and he can fill in the functional questionnaire on 10 questions with a total of 100 of points. And also, that is very important, the status of its prosthesis over the years, and especially if the the needed for new hospitalization, and the quality of results was poor, and he wants to get followed by the surgeon. It's very important because in such a way the surgeon will receive a mail to let him know about this complication. So it's very important for again the follow-up over the years, and this can be easily done with this module. So patient directory, multi-criteria search, that's okay. And now we are leaving this OW-REG. We will regularly publish on YouTube all needed tutorials to make the most of the features of the new version 7 and help each of our users to get comfortable with this very new upgrade of OrthoWave. Thank you for viewing this first presentation. We remain at your disposal for any questions or comments. And it has to be said that OrthoWave V7 is exclusively supplied by medical data. Bye-bye, and be OrthoWaved.